Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Every day, millions of people around the world depend on remittances to support their families and communities. From migrant workers sending money back home to parents sustaining their children studying abroad, remittances play a crucial role in our global economy. According to the International Monetary Fund, IMF, remittances are money transfers from an individual, usually migrant workers in a high-income country, to their relatives and loved ones in their home country. Remittances are commonly sent through specialized remittance providers or, on the other hand, conventional financial institutions, such as banks, and may involve fees or foreign exchange conversion costs. But how do remittances operate? Who are some of the players involved in the process? In this video, we'll explore the fascinating world of remittances, disclosing the complex industry that makes it all possible and the impact it has on people's lives. Thus, we will analyze the business model of a key player, Remitly. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and join us to learn more about how technology is revolutionizing the way we send money around the world. Did you know that remittances sent in 2022 to low and middle-income countries were estimated at the whopping quantity of $626 billion? It's worth noting that global remittance flows are influenced by a range of aspects, including economic conditions, migration patterns, and regulatory shifts. Remittances are a vital source of monetary support for considerable families and communities around the world, particularly in developing countries, where they can contribute to poverty reduction, education, healthcare, and other fundamental necessities. Remittances can also play a role in promoting economic growth and stability by supplying a source of foreign exchange and boosting domestic consumption and enhancing financial inclusion. Do you know the largest recipient countries of remittances in 2022? At the top of the list, with remittance inflows estimated at $100 billion, is India, the world's most populous country in 2023. In second place, we have Mexico, which has a considerable diaspora in the U.S., where an estimated 11 million Mexicans live. The North American country received an estimated $60 billion in remittances. In third place, we have China, a country with a historic migration pattern. China received $51 billion in 2022. The remaining 7 countries on the list include countries in Asia and Africa, with total remittance flows ranging from $38 billion to $21 billion in 2022. Key facts about the remittance industry. 1. According to the World Bank, global remittances to low and middle-income countries reached $626 billion in 2022. 2. The United States is the biggest sender of remittances, followed by Saudi Arabia, the United Arab Emirates, and the United Kingdom. 3. The average price of sending remittances globally was 6.5% in the first quarter of 2021, with sub-Saharan Africa being the most expensive region to send cash to at 8.2%. The remittance industry is complex, with many players involved in the process of sending money across boundaries. From money transfer companies to banks to mobile payment platforms, there are many ways to send money internationally. Let's talk about a key element in the industry, a money transmitter. A money transmitter is a company or individual that provides money transfer services, typically involving the transfer of funds between different individuals or entities, including remittances. Money transmitters are often regulated by governments to ensure they comply with certain financial regulations, such as anti-money laundering and know your customer requirements. In the context of the remittance industry, money transmitters are often used by migrant workers to send money to their families or friends in their home country. Money transmitter services can include options such as cash-to-cash transfers, bank-to-bank transfers, and mobile or online transfers. Many remittance providers are also considered money transmitters, as they facilitate the transfer of funds across borders and often have specialized knowledge and infrastructure to drive international money transfers. Money transmitter services can be a crucial part of the remittance industry, as they provide a means for individuals to send and receive funds across borders quickly and securely. However, the fees and exchange rates charged by money transmitters can vary widely, and it's important for individuals to compare diverse options and comprehend the costs and risks involved before using a particular money transmitter service. Key facts about the remittance industry. 4. Mobile money is a growing tendency in the remittance industry, with an estimated 1.2 billion registered accounts globally. 5. Some of the largest remittance companies, such as Western Union and MoneyGram, have reported billions of dollars in revenue in recent years. 6. For example, Western Union reported $4.5 billion in revenue in 2022, while MoneyGram reported $1.3 billion in revenue in the same year. In the last few years, technology has changed the way we make financial movements. Some time ago, it was necessary going to a brick-and-mortar financial institution to send money abroad to our loved ones on the other side of the world. Financial technology, or fintech, has played a substantial role in the remittance industry in recent years. Fintech companies are using innovative technologies to disrupt conventional remittance channels, delivering prompter, more affordable, and more convenient services to customers. Here are some of the forms fintech is impacting the remittance industry. Mobile money is predominantly popular in emerging markets where traditional banking infrastructure is lacking. Digital wallets, mobile apps, and online platforms are becoming increasingly popular for remittances. Fintech companies are using artificial intelligence to examine customer data, enhance fraud detection, and provide personalized services to consumers. Blockchain can lower costs, increase velocity, and eliminate intermediaries in the remittance process. Remitly's business model. So, many apps compete for a market share in the remittance industry. Today we are going to analyze the business model of one of the most popular cross-border payment apps, Remitly. Thus, we are going to analyze Remitly's business model, how they deliver, create, and capture value. In 2012, Remitly launched its first money transfer service, which let customers send money from the United States to the Philippines. Over the next few years, the company expanded its services to different countries and regions, including Latin America, Africa, and Asia. What is Remitly and how does it work? Remitly is a fintech company that was founded in 2011 by Matt Oppenheimer and Shabazz Gulati. Their goal was to make it easier and more affordable for people to send money across borders to their loved ones. In 2015, Remitly raised $12.5 million in funding from a group of investors, including DFJ Venture, QED Investors, and Trilogy Equity Partners. The funding enabled the company to further expand its services and enhance its technology platform. Value proposition. 1. Competitive pricing. 2. Speed and convenience. 3. Transparency and reliability. 4. Trust and security. 5. Customer experience. Remitly offers a unique value proposition to immigrants and their families in over 170 countries around the world. Their digitally native, cross-border remittance app eliminates the long wait times, complexities, and fees typical of conventional remittance processes. This allows customers to send money home in a secure, trustworthy, and transparent manner. In addition, Remitly allows customers to choose from several delivery options, including bank deposits, cash pickups, and home deliveries. Overall, Remitly's value proposition is focused on providing clients with a high-quality, low-cost, and convenient international money transfer service that fulfills their needs and expectations. How does Remitly capture value? 1. Based on charging customers a fee for sending money internationally, which is typically lower than the fees charged by traditional money transfer companies. 2. Remitly Express, which offers instant money transfers to select destinations. 3. Remitly Passbook is a mobile savings account that enables customers to save money and earn interest on their deposits. Remitly generates revenue mostly from the fees it charges customers for each transfer. The fees differ depending on factors such as the amount of money being transferred, the destination country, and the payment method used. Remitly also generates revenue through foreign exchange spreads, which are the difference between the exchange rate it offers customers and the rate at which it buys and sells currency on the global market. Based on Remitly's fourth quarter and full year 2022 results. In the fiscal year 2022, Remitly achieved remarkable financial success, reporting a revenue of $653.6 million. Additionally, the company facilitated remittances with a substantial volume of $28.6 billion. Furthermore, Remitly experienced a significant surge in active customers, reaching 4.2 million, which represents a 48% increase from the fourth quarter of 2021. Remitly uses a scope of technologies to support its international money transfer service, including online and mobile platforms, cloud infrastructure, data analytics, fraud detection and prevention, blockchain. Remitly's competitors. As we already noted, the remittance industry is a highly competitive market with several players offering international money transfer services. Remitly has to navigate the dynamic landscape alongside other leading players in cross-border remittance services, such as 1. TransferWise, 2. WorldRemit, 3. SIM, 4. Azimo, 5. Ria Money Transfer, and among others. The remittance industry as a whole is witnessing substantial changes, with fintech driving advancements in digital payments, blockchain, artificial intelligence, and mobile money. These technological innovations are making remittances more accessible, affordable, and efficient, benefiting millions of migrants and their families around the world. Thank you for joining us on this journey to explore Remitly's business model and the remittance industry. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Until next time, stay tuned for more exciting insights. And as always, thanks for watching.